right, so for BSG, aka bottomless snow globe, this one will take 2 blowers. The 1.5 will be towards the right, towards the entrance and chamber. The 1.0 will be to the left, towards the globe. On the opposite side of the blowers, we also have 2 zippers, one here, and an extra blower port. This one you should never use on this side. So this one will fold up and insert it back into the unit behind the patch. Again, just like the other snow globe, you want to make sure this door zipper is closed and the port above it is also closed. The difference is between the 2 snow globes we have, this bottomless snow globe doesn't have the jump pad like the other one. So if you were to set it up on concrete, you would have to put soft tiles under the entire floor, under the unit. Don't put them inside of here. Also on this one, we have ports that go around all the sides. That's gonna help help blow the snow up even more than our old one. Right now we don't have lights on the edge of the artwork, but that artwork, those lights, we will get installed here soon. This banner here is also detachable for warehouse. So when you're trying to clean off the snow that gets stuck like this at the end of the event, don't use your hand like this. What you want to use is you want to use the towel, and you'll clean all of it right off, and it'll should just wipe down. And then if you see in here, this kind of pile here, you can get most of it by hand, but you will use the vacuum to get all the little pieces back out. So the differences between our 2 snow globes is that this bottomless snow globe will take the 2 blowers. And being bottomless over here in the main globe, it doesn't have the jump pad inside of it, which also means that if you're on a concrete setup like this one, you will have to put soft tiles under the entire unit for the globe and the chamber. Now, if we walk over to the other side, with this newer one, the manufacturer has upgraded their design to make it easier for the owners and drivers like us, where we have a zipper over here and a zipper there. The other one only has 1 zipper. This one also does include another blower tube right here. This blower tube we're never gonna use. We're always gonna use the 2 on the other side.